So this video is going to show how to bring in an Excel table into AutoCAD and have the styles show up in AutoCAD. So to create a table, you can type table at the command line and it'll open up the insert table dialog box. From here I can create a data link and hit the little button to launch the data link manager dialog box, and I can click on the create a new Excel data link. I can give it a name and then hit OK. So I want to browse to a file, so I'm going to go find my table to bring in example and press open. So it's going to change the dialog box once I do that. I'm going to be able to bring in a named range. I have a table to bring in, and if I go back to Excel and if I highlight this, this is the named range. So all I did was highlight it and typed in the name there. So there's a hiding arrow down here at the bottom right hand corner that I can expand out, and the default is to have this cell formatting unchecked, and you can see it removes it. But if I have it checked, it'll format the table just like it was in Excel. I want to keep the table updated, so if I make any changes in Excel, it'll update in AutoCAD. And then up here I have some other options for the cell contents. But for this example, I just want to hit OK. And then hit OK. And then hit OK and allow me to pick a point within the drawing that I can then have my table. So I use the name range so I can go back into Excel and change it if I need to. I can do that under the data, or the formulas tab, the name manager, and I can edit that value. So I can say, hey, I want to go down to, I can pick it in the drawing, and I can pick the cells that I want included. And I messed it up. So I'm just going to delete it and then click the values here and then click there. And now my table to bring in is a little bit bigger. And I can give it some additional formatting or some text. Maybe pick some colors. And then when I hit save and I go back into AutoCAD, I can update the tables using the data links that I've updated, and since I changed the name range, the table will update. And so that's how you can make sure that your AutoCAD table is formatted the same way it is in Excel.